All right, my name is Henry Earle. I'm a lube tech here, and I've been here for about 7 months or so. One thing I like about this industry that I've realized is like coming from food and bev is pressure all the time, go, 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 go. I mean, from the minute you clock in, I've done a lot of fine dining, right? So the minute you clock in, I'm prepping very higher end, everything's gotta be perfect. Whereas like this, there's moments to breathe and things like that. So that's why I say hang out, because you kind of have moments to expand your knowledge. You can walk around and shadow people when the opportunity is available. You can go.
And it sounds like they're pretty generous with what they know.
Oh, for sure. I think about any type of like geek, so to speak, right? Like you just get going like a computer guy, right? Or anybody that like really loves their craft, is passionate, they're just gonna like kind of delve into it. And so we got a couple guys back there that are like that, where it's like, you know, you just ask a question and almost want to have a notebook with you, because they're just gonna start spitting knowledge out at you. You know, the ability to adapt, open mind, you need to be motivated and hungry, and somewhat accountable and responsible. So from my perspective, like, this is not a hamburger. This is not $15 or $30, or even if you're at Hall's eating a $100 steak, this is like a minimum of $20,000 we're talking about, right? So, I mean, this is the second most expensive purchase you'll ever buy in your home. Perspective is a big thing anywhere in life, and so having the perspective that each one of these pieces of material means a lot to the individual is important.